turn your account to a private account on TikTok. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. So let's start. First step is going to TikTok, then open it. After this, when your TikTok is opening, you will find here home. As you see, you will just go here on your profile and open it. Then when your profile is open, as you see, this is my profile. I will just go here to this three line, then I will go to settings and privacy. After settings and privacy, we go to privacy. Then I will go to the second option, to the first option, private account, and I will turn on this by clicking here. Then I will click switch anyway. Then when I back to privacy, now I have a private account, as you see right now. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.